Exploring the phrase, blood ties. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of English phrases. Specifically, we'll be exploring the meaning and usage of the term, blood ties. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of this expression and how to use it in various contexts. Blood ties consists of two words, blood and ties. Blood. In this context, it refers to the red liquid that circulates in the arteries and veins of humans. However, it's often used metaphorically to denote family relationships because family members share similar blood due to genetic inheritance. Ties. This refers to connections or bonds between individuals. It's not about physical ties, but emotional or relational connections. So, when you put these two words together, blood ties essentially refers to the connections or bonds shared by family members due to their genetic relationships. Understanding a phrase is great, but knowing how to use it in conversation is even better. Here are some examples. 1. Even though they had disagreements, their blood ties kept them together. 2. She felt a strong sense of loyalty because of the blood ties she shared with her siblings. 3. Despite being miles apart, their blood ties remained unbroken. It's always helpful to know other ways to express the same idea. Here are some synonyms for blood ties: blood relations, family ties, kinship, lineage. Remember, while these synonyms can be used interchangeably in many situations, it's always important to consider the specific context of your conversation. And that's a wrap on blood ties. English is full of interesting phrases that carry rich meanings, and understanding them can greatly enhance your communication skills. I hope this explanation has shed some light on this particular phrase for you. Keep exploring, keep learning, and always remember the deep connections that language can represent. Until next time,